Football season means tailgating, friends, and fun. And there are a few apps that can help you take your tailgate to the next level. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and check out these apps before you hit your next tailgate. Get the grill going with the Weber's on the Grill app. With tons of recipes for marinades and sauces, you can browse creations and share recipes with friends and family to let them know what's on the menu before kickoff. Never miss the action with the 365 Scores app. Get free push notifications sent straight to your mobile device. And watch video highlights. You won't miss the game details, and you'll have the 411 on your favorite team. So you can keep the party going and stay up to date. And have a blast with the Tailgate Fan app. You can create hilarious photos and share with friends on Facebook or Twitter. And you can enter to participate in contests to win prizes. This app is free and it's a blast. So fire up the grill and grab your smartphone. It's game day! And a fantastic tailgate is right at your foam fingertips. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.